Hey everyone, just Leo here from Fox Mowing and Gardening. So what I wanted to do today is just show you through one of our trailers. You've probably seen obviously nearly 300 of these getting around obviously Australia and New Zealand, and they're what's included with all of our businesses. So I just wanted to show you through. Our trailers are a little bit more elaborate than some of the others that you've seen out there, because especially when we've got obviously foxes that want to run dual cabs and then obviously unhook their car and then obviously have the family in there for the weekend. They don't need to have any of their gear or anything within their vehicles. So let's check it out. So up the front here, we've got our sprayers, our backpack blower and our hard blade edges. We also have a drawbar that can take a pressure washer as well. So when you're doing obviously outdoor works like that, you can do that for yourself. In here, we have a compartment for our self-propelled mower. So that way you can have that. And obviously that all contains your safety signs as well. In here is where we contain all our cutting gear. All right, so this is where you can have pretty much enough equipment to not only obviously have enough equipment for yourself, but also another worker with you, as a lot of our guys do, okay? So this is where we have all our cutting gear, all our safety gear, and all our consumables as well. So in the rear of our trailers, it's very important with, I guess, what we do in our mowing and gardening type activities is that waste removal, okay? The other thing that a lot of our guys do is a lot of acreage and ride-on mowing, and that's another thing that our trailers allow for. So you'll see here, the back compartment easily allows for up to a 48-inch ride-on. It also allows for nearly 6 cubic meters of waste, or the ability to pick up mulch, plants, and all your other gardening supplies so that you can take them to your job and perform that work when needed based on your client's needs. Some of the equipment that a lot of our guys have and use and that we supply for them. Based on needs and, like I said, the type of job type, that's when you're going to get into your ride-on mowers, whether that be side discharge and or dedicated catch models. And then what I'll also do is show you some of the cutting gear, which is in the side toolbox. So let's go check that out. Okay, so with our businesses, we supply most of the gear that the guys need. But then some of the equipment that we will have too is as you and your business grow, okay? But normally a starter pack would be obviously your straight shaft brush cutter, blower, your hedge trimmer, your dedicated pole hedge trimmer. But then with this trailer and with this setup, it allows you to then run, okay, obviously 2 sets of gear, but also carry all your supplies, all the chemical you need, all the fuel, all your 2-stroke based on the type of equipment that you have, and then all your manual tools that you need each and every day. So I hope that showed you a little bit about our business and what we do. And if anyone was interested and wanted to find out more about what we do here at Fox Mowing and Gardening, please just go to our website, foxmowing.com.au, get in touch with your local state manager, a bit like me, and then we'll happily send you an information pack and go from there. Thanks very much.